Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips to keep your digital life secure. Today's video is all about how to check your Google password in 2025. With hackers getting smarter every day, it's more important than ever to double-check your passwords and ensure they're strong and up-to-date. Let's dive right in. First off, why should you care about checking your Google password? Well, Google handles a ton of your personal data, from emails to photos, so a weak password could be a gateway for cybercriminals. In 2025, Google has made it even easier with enhanced security features, but you still need to take action. To get started, open your web browser and head to myaccount.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to check. If you're not signed in, enter your credentials, but remember, we'll be looking at your password settings, not changing anything just yet. Once you're in, look for the Security tab on the left-hand side. It's usually near the top. Click on that, and you'll see a section for Signing in to Google. Scroll down until you find Password or Password Manager. Here, Google will show you the last time your password was changed and might even give you a security score. Now, if you want to check the strength of your current password, click on Security Checkup. It's a handy tool that analyzes your password for weaknesses like common phrases or short lengths. If it flags any issues, don't panic. Just follow the prompts to update it. To change your password, select Password. Under the Security section, enter your current one for verification, and then create a new, strong password. Aim for at least 12 characters, mixing uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. A quick tip: enable two-factor authentication while you're here. It's a game changer for 2025 security standards and adds an extra layer of protection. Finally, after you've checked and updated, log out and log back in to test everything. There you have it. Checking your Google password is straightforward and can save you from potential headaches. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.